Hydropulse makes hydrogen simple, reliable, and competitive. Either we produce hydrogen on your site or in close proximity. Whether you're looking for a new hydrogen supplier at an unmatched price point, or you're looking to transition to hydrogen, we are ready to fast-track you with our build, own, and operate model. We configure our plants to the specific need of every customer based on ITM Power's proven and market-leading technology. We build the full-scope hydrogen production plant at our cost, with zero CAPEX for our customers. We operate and maintain the plant through its full life cycle, with zero technology risk for our customers. No need for complex project financing, just hydrogen. We take full ownership of plant performance, leaving you to focus on your business. We are Hydropulse.